Jeremy Merrell. We are here at Wolfpack Motorsports in Orange County, California. These vehicles are going anywhere from 60 to 100 miles an hour, and at that speed, there's some bad things that can happen if you don't have reliable equipment. Right behind me, we have our Polaris RZR race car that we race in the best in the desert. It is completely CAD designed, CNC precision cut, which is set up with a Miller Spectrum plasma cutter. These are parts not only that we race, but also parts that we offer to customers. We want to make sure that all of our parts and components have the highest safety standards. By that being said, we use Miller. The Miller Dynasty 280 DX is the welder that we use to build this vehicle. That's also the welder that we use to do a lot of our production. If you go to utvwolfpack.com, you can see the parts and components that we make, and all the stuff is built to the highest standards using Miller equipment.